Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Are NFTs on Polygon chain dead? We decode the stats. The crypto community poses major concerns for the Polygon blockchain's ability to foster NFTs' growth, sales, and adoption. NFTs take major economic hits during the crypto winter. NFT frenzy takes a dull turn amid market recessions and US crackdowns. The non-fungible token (NFT) market has seen tremendous growth in recent years, with many investors and artists flocking to the space to create and trade unique digital assets. However, there have been recent concerns about the viability of NFTs on the Polygon chain, a popular Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. Some have even suggested that NFTs on Polygon may be dead. Polygon, formerly known as Matic, is a Layer 2 scaling solution that aims to make Ethereum more efficient and affordable by increasing transaction speed and reducing gas fees. It has become a popular choice for NFT creators and traders due to its low fees and fast transaction times. Polygon NFT marketplace observes almost no growth. Polygon NFTs failed to take off in Q2 and Q4 of last year due to the crypto market's contagion, thanks to Three Arrows Capital and FTX. However, even after the market recovered in recent months, Polygon's situation remained unchanged, even as its competitors experienced growth. While the NFT space is supposed to be changing, Polygon NFTs should be aware of any increase in demand. Initially, this was linked to the larger narrative of minimum use cases presented by NFTs, but this has evolved in recent months. The financialization of NFTs has enabled non-fungible token holders to use their NFTs as collateral for loans, providing owners with liquidity. This increased the trade volume on the Ethereum and Solana NFT platforms. Blur on Ethereum and TensorSwap on Solana have seen the most rise in volume over the last 6 months. Only OpenSea reported modest growth on Polygon. This is because of two factors. One is the general decline in crypto market conditions prior to the January rise. 2, there aren't enough traders on Polygon's NFT marketplace. The influence of the latter factor ultimately suppressed the bullishness observed between January and March. However, Polygon's Matic transactions and network use improved during the same time frame, indicating that the broader market effect had nothing to do with NFT markets remaining subdued. Several NFT marketplaces sales surge. Despite the fact that the Ethereum blockchain remains by far the most popular choice for minting non-fungible tokens, NFT, other Layer 1 blockchains and Layer 2 networks have recently seen modest increases in NFT sales. CryptoSlam data indicates that Layer 1 blockchain Cardano, whose token is ADA, briefly surpassed Ethereum scaling platform Polygon as the fourth most popular blockchain by NFT sales volume. According to CryptoSlam, as of Tuesday afternoon, Cardano had fallen to 6th place, behind BNB and Polygon, although its 24-hour sales had increased by 86%. CNFT.io reports that trading volume for Goofy Gophers and Spacebuds has exceeded 185,000 ADA, approximately $70,000, over the past 24 hours. The sales volume of other blockchains, including Solana, SOL, has increased over the past week. On April 22, Solana saw an increase in sales, unique buyers, and unique sellers, primarily due to the release of Mad Lads, which was in such high demand that its minting had to be delayed. According to CryptoSlam, the mad rush for the Mad Lads contributed over $8 million to the $9.9 million in sales on April 22, a level not seen since January. Over the past week, Solana's sales volume has increased by 129%. In the meantime, NFT enthusiasts are worried that Polygon's sales volume is taking a turn for the worst. It appears that their concerns are grounded on the fact that NFT collection Y00TS recently moved from Solana to Polygon. Despite these concerns, some experts believe that NFTs on Polygon are far from dead. They point to the continued growth of the Polygon network and the many projects and initiatives being developed on the chain. Additionally, they suggest that the recent downturn in NFT sales may be a temporary blip, rather than a long-term trend. While there have been concerns about the viability of NFTs on the Polygon chain, it is too early to declare them dead. The market for NFTs, like all markets, is subject to fluctuations and volatility. However, the long-term potential of NFTs and the Polygon network remains strong, and we can expect to see continued growth and innovation in the space in the months and years to come. Price prediction. Polygon price today is $1.011014 with a 24-hour trading volume of $812.74 million, market cap of $8.09 billion, and market dominance of 0.69%. The Matic price increased 2.32% in the last 24 hours. Polygon price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 26, 2023 at 1 o'clock, the general Polygon price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 13 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 19 signaling bearish signals. Matic price prediction was last updated on April 26, 2023 at 1 o'clock. Polygon key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.996610, Polygon has support levels of $0.971635, $0.953164, and the strongest at $0.928189. Similarly, Polygon resistance levels are at $1.015081, $1.040056, and $1.058527. Polygon reached its highest price on December 27, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $2.91, while Polygon's lowest price was recorded on May 9, 2019 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.003049. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.322074, cycle low. The highest Matic price since the last cycle low was $1.559350, cycle high. The Polygon price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Polygon's current circulating supply is 8.01 B Matic out of max supply of 10.00 B Matic. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 61.66%, meaning 3.05 B Matic were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Polygon is currently ranked number 4 in the proof-of-stake coin sector, ranked number 2 in the Ethereum ERC20 token sector, and ranked number 1 in the Layer 2 sector. Polygon is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 2 days, since April 23, 2023. The price of Polygon is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 6 days, since April 19, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 420 days ago, on March 1, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on October 26, 2022, which was 181 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Polygon's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $1.029451 by May 25, 2023. Polygon's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $1.051553 by May 25, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 34.31, which indicates that the Matic market is in a neutral position. According to our current Polygon price prediction, the value of Polygon is predicted to drop by -0.62% and reach $1.003356 by April 30, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Polygon recorded 14/30, 47% green days with 4.04% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Polygon forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Polygon. Comparing Polygon against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Polygon price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Polygon price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, Matic price prediction for year 2026 is $22.12 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Polygon would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $2.54. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.